So, turns out, it is not near death at all. Ah! It's actually instead, though, lost one battery so far, which is kind of saddening. And you're probably thinking, what the fuck am I doing? I'm going back to get some ammo for my Visi bomb. As if you haven't noticed, that kind of helped my ass. Right there with those helicopters. What could I really use, though, is some health. I could really use some fucking health. They're all the way down here. Not cheap, are they? Damn. What I really need, though, is that armor. So I think I have the one that blocks 33%? Right? Oh. Huh. Never mind. Wow, this world sucks, man. Fuck you. Can I have some health? I would really love some of that. Which reminds me. I am very paranoid and I don't care. So I will save as much as I fucking want. Really? Am I being overly cautious? Yes. Do I have a reason to? Yes. Kill them off faster, please. I would really enjoy it. Thank you. You know what I really love, people? Some health. Oh, for fuck's sake. This has got to be a joke. Fucking 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 joke. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Oh my god. What in the hell, man? Again, sorry, but I need to go get some more ammo for this. I know some of you are thinking, really? Is that really important right now? If you haven't noticed, yes, it's very important because I can die any moment and have to do this entire fucking part again. I'm not willing to do that. Oh god! Eh. Also, I'm hitting this for money, even though it's so little, it doesn't give me the money. I guess it just didn't break. Doop-a-doop-doo. And fire! Go! A little faster, man. There we go. And that is the... There we go. Wow, that's so cheap. It's like, what, $257 I just spent on that? I love these boots. They're so helpful. And jump. There we go. Doop-a-doop-a-doo, doop-a-doop-a-doo. Superman, Spider-Man, gonna do whatever I fucking can. So, it looks like I've been the farthest so far right here. What have I not explored? Oh, over there? I guess I can, yeah, I can see there's health. Oh, fuck me. People, remind me never to do that next time. Actually, what is over here? None? No, over here. This is looking stupid. Oh, and he's separated somehow? What the fuck? Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, wait. What in the hell? Huh. So this is a level where you become a giant robot again. Bet you $5 Angelina is in there. Well, let's go have an adventure.
What's so funny?
Yeah, really.
Nothing, I guess. Prepare to die.
Oh, okay. Oh, wait, damn it. So, in case any of you are wondering, no, I don't remember anything about this boss fight. What does this do? Oh my god, no, why are you sending me up here? Oh god, I can't. Fucking die. What the? That's lame. Fine then. I'll shoot you all I can then. I am apparently bad at aiming, so whatever, I'll shoot him. Oh, fuck.
You can run, but you can't hide.
Says you. Says fucking you. Shit, man, why is it inverted for? Options. Controls. No. Camera. Why are you reverse? I want you normal. Is there a reason why I didn't make this thing normal? God damn it. Oh, fuck. Okay, get off this. What the hell? I'm so confused. Why in the hell? That's fucking devious. Damn it. Hey, you get fucking destroyed. This boss fight's not fun. Don't like it. Oh, 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 oh my god. I came too close for comfort. Can't see. Did I dodge what? I can't see anything. Oh, bitch. Own. What the fuck? Oh god. Ugh. No, if I could, I would, but, you know, I can't, so I won't. Fuck off. This boss fight's so cheap, and they know it when they made this game. So the reason I'm not talking too much because I know. Oh god. Fuck you. What's he doing? Really? Come on, man. Man. Fuck you. You guys can probably all tell I don't like this boss fight. What the hell? Oh, come on. Really? I just got on this one, too. Let's see. Let's see, where can I find the next turret to destroy this motherfucker at? That is the question of questions. Oh god, stop, stop, stop! Oh, okay. Oh, here we go, next one. Take me to my cannon. What? Fuck you! I refuse to give up. Oh god. So dumb. Oh, okay, that's a little bit more violent than I would expect. Sup? 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 Suck shot! Stick it up your ass, bitch! Eh. Oh, fucking Christ. Leave my robot out of this. Clank is awesome and you know it. You're just fucking jealous. Ow. Oh. My thumb is getting tired. That sucks. Can you please not get anywhere near me? And fire. Sorry for the lack of commentary. This is just boring, though. Why can't there just be a spot where you just can't hit me with any of those? That would be wonderful. Die, 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 die. Why don't you stop trying to kill me and stop working for the fucking enemy? I know, I understand that you're thugs for life, but come on, man. Seriously, it's getting stupid. Whatever, if you try to walk up to this, I will just shoot you constantly. Hit him. Damn it. What the? No. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. Cool. Can you please stop trying to come get me? It would very be helpful. What does this lead to? Well, hopefully it doesn't kill me. It leads me to... Ah, that's stupid. Hit him already. Eh. Oh my god, he's almost dead. I remember why I hated this game. Damn it! You had to destroy it, huh? You just had to fucking destroy it. Die! Just die so I can end this video and start up a new one already. This has been a long fucking video and I already know that for a fact. Die, 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 die.
You okay, Clank? Great. Let's go.
Hello? Aren't you forgetting someone?
Oops. Oh, I meant after we free Angela.
Thanks. Now, before you run off, take a look at this. I picked it out of Lizard Boy's pocket.
Log entry 4792. Returning from Megacorp's distribution center. I'm beginning to suspect that Megacorp has lied to me. The extra large decorative paperweights being stored there might actually be an enormous supply of proto-pets. But you might the whole facility is guarded by ravenous mutant creatures. Their warehouse ship may hold as many as 10 million crates, and with 100 proto-pets per crate, that could be as many as 3.5 zillion proto-pets.
Damn.
A secret shipment that large can only mean one thing. Megacorp is up to no good. I will confront them as soon as possible and demand a bigger cut of the action.
Are they insane? The galaxy is in far more danger than I had imagined. Do you suppose Mr. Fizzwidget...
Wasted enough time on Fizzwidget already. I swear that crazy old man is not the same person I used to work for.
Whoa. You used to work for Megacorp?
Yes, in the genetics division.
On the proto-pets?
On fixing the proto-pet's flaws. And I was this close to succeeding when Fizzwidget suddenly pushed up their release date.
worth disrupting the proto-pet shipments?
It's a start. But to stop them for good, we're gonna need to break into Megacorp headquarters.
Break in? How?
I have an old Megacorp ID on my home planet.
We'll split up then. Clank and I will go to the distribution facility. You go grab the ID.
Okay, that was exciting, was it not? Because to me, it was boring as shit.
So again, I'll start up a new video, because this one's 21 minutes fucking long.